Hello, welcome to the episode 35 of my drawing tutorial series. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to color a wedding gown when your drawing resources are limited. First, let's color the skin underneath the gloves and the dress as we are going to color sheer gloves. When shading the skin tone under sheer fabric, always leave a small gap around the edges without coloring, as that area lets light pass through, so the skin tone shouldn't appear there. Let's add a little shadow to the skin tone so that they don't look flat underneath. First, let's pick up the lightest gray marker. I am using toner gray number 3 as that's the lightest I have. Make sure you pull your marker strikes really fast, as we do not want the paper to absorb a lot of ink. The lighter the shade, the easier it is to control. Now, let's move on to the skirt and layer the shadows. We will finish coloring the gloves later. Pick up a lighter gray color if you have to color the skirt and overlay the shadows. As I do not have the lightest gray color, I am using a warm gray 3 marker to do that. Remember, keep the tone as light as possible. Now pick up a gray color pencil and add some shading to the shadows. In this step, I am going to be using a white ink jelly pen to add shadows to the gown. Follow my lead to see how to get it done. Now let's finish the gloves by adding highlights and fabric wrinkles. To color the upper part of the dress, as I don't want to add too much gray like the skirt, I am using Warm Gray 3 marker, which is also the lightest you have to layer shadows of the top part. Now please follow my leads to finish coloring the flowers. This will be the simplest and easiest step, as I am going to be just drawing strokes using markers and pen. We are done with the dress now. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you want to get these fashion coloring templates to practice your coloring skills with me, you can also find them on my Etsy store. The link is mentioned in the description box below with a discount code for you. Alright, I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.